All right, so now that I have my data tabulated, I'm going to see if I can figure out how to fill this out. So the first column asks for my data as a raw number, which just means how many people answered for each letter. Now I only used two choices, A and B, so I'm going to ignore C, D, and E choices because I don't have any. Actually, you know what, I'll put a 0 in there just so I don't forget that. And I had 8 people choose Taylor Swift, which was my A choice, and 3 people who chose Justin Bieber. That was my B choice. So that's just my raw number, 8 A's, 3 B's. Down at the bottom, it asks for the total number of people, and I remember that was 11. Next column asks for my data as a fraction. So I need 2 numbers here, not just the amount that answered A, but I also want to know how many total people, that's what the N stands for, the total number of people out of my survey. So of the 11 people in my survey, 8 of them answered A. So my first fraction would be 8/11ths, or 8 out of 11. Letter B, still 11 people, but this time only 3 people answered B. So I have 3 on top, total always goes on the bottom. I'm just gonna put zeros because we did not have those choices. Now, fractions are done. Total frac, I don't think we're gonna answer that one right now. Should we?
Sure.
Why not? So 8 out of 11 plus 3 out of 11. If you guys remember how to add fractions, you only add the top numbers. So you actually get 11/11ths. That's just equal to all the people. All right, a decimal is done like this. You may use a calculator because you might notice that these numbers are a little hard to work with. But to figure out the decimal equivalent of your fraction, you're gonna divide the top number divided by the bottom number. Top divided by bottom. I got a calculator to help me with that because I don't know what 8 divided by 11 is. So I'm gonna do 8 divided by 11, and I get 0.7272727 blah, blah, blah. Now I know that that's a repeating decimal because I'm a math teacher. You might not know that, and you might just want to round your numbers off, but I'm gonna use the fancy repeating decimal symbol because I know that when numbers repeat, that's what that means. I'm gonna do the same thing for the people who chose Justin Bieber. 3 divided by 11, and that should give me a decimal number, 0.2727272727. So I'm going to write that one as 0.27, repeating. All right. Now 0 divided by anything, I already know, 0. And if I add these two together, just like the fraction one, it really should equal 1. It's gonna be hard to add those, but just trust me on that. These should both be 1. All right, almost there. Once you have your decimal, there's one last step to convert that number to a percentage. And all you have to do is multiply the number times 100. That's what percents are. Out of 100 people, how many would we expect to want to go with? Or how many did we have answer Taylor Swift? So I'm gonna do 0.72 times 100, 72%. Same thing for Justin Bieber, 0.27 multiplied by 100, 27%. Now, notice when I add these together, 72 plus 27, I actually only get 99. I'm gonna leave it to you guys to figure out why that added to 99 and not 100, but it was pretty close, so I feel pretty good about it. Good luck. Don't let me down.